Life is full of problems, and so are businesses. Problems are stressful situations that prevent us from achieving what we want. There are small problems and big problems, those that we laugh about and those that take away our sleep, problems that affect only us and problems that impact the entire organization, problems that need to be resolved proactively and problems that require us to wait and watch. The ability to solve business problems is one of the most critical skills for your successful leadership. But problem solving is not easy. It has many problems. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 problems that can make problem solving even more complex and stressful. Number 1, lack of clarity. This can lead to confusion, misunderstanding, and waste of time and efforts. Simply saying that our supply chain is moving too slow is not enough. You need to pinpoint the segment that is slowing down the entire chain. To gain clarity, you need to ask some key questions like, what are the causes and effects? What are our assumptions and constraints? What are the key criteria for success? I am smart. I can't make a mistake. We are doing everything right. It can't happen to us. All these assumptions highlight a common problem. It's called cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance doesn't let you accept the fact that you too can make a mistake. To make sure that you are not suffering from cognitive dissonance, you need to imagine all the extreme consequences, all the fatalistic consequences that you will encounter if you continue to behave like an ostrich. Another challenge is information available or not available. When you have too much information, it can overwhelm you and make it hard to filter out the relevant and reliable information. Other times, you may have too little information, which can limit your options and perspectives. The fourth challenge when solving problem is to generate creative and innovative solutions. Sometimes you may struggle to come up with new and original ideas, or you may get stuck up in a rut of conventional and familiar solutions. In order to boost your creativity, you need to break free from your mental habits and routines. You can try different methods and approaches such as mind mapping, brainstorming, analogies, or reverse engineering. The fifth challenge when solving problems is to implement your solutions effectively. These can include technical issues, resource constraints, human factors, and external factors. To overcome these barriers, you need to plan and prepare your implementation carefully and realistically. You can also use tools and techniques such as project management, risk analysis, contingency planning, etc. You can also communicate with other stakeholders, team members, and experts to gain some support. To further build your problem solving muscles, I would like to offer you my 1-day workshop, PS Pro. PS Pro incorporates activities that help you analyze problems and find root causes. PS Pro engages you in problem solving games, simulations, and exercises that sharpen your problem solving skills. PS Pro can also be customized to address frequently occurring problems in your organization. You can bring PS Pro to your organization and outsmart every problem. See you soon.